My name is Sharma, boy, born, raised Mogadishu. Negative, trying to push me to false story. When you hurt, get scared and run. I stand tall, never fold, I am one. I'm the voice, the fire, the rising sun. All Somali, I rep everyone. Young king from the horn where the camels roam, where the pain run deep but the pride full grown. Try to box us out, but we broke their dome. Turn war into wisdom, made the struggle our own. I see chains in their minds, but the soul's still free. We was raised by queens, fed with dignity. From Harja Isa to Somali, we a symphony of pain, power, poetry, and legacy. We ain't free till the chains drop. We ain't whole till the lies stop. We ain't kings till we rise up. Break it down, build the light up.
No chains, no chains. I ain't walking with no chains. Tryna mute my voice. Better tighten up your game. No shame, no fear. I was born into the flame. If you stand for the truth, then you never die in vain.
I've been running through the shadows of my father's name. They tried to break us, now they study how we play the game. Every verse is a bullet aimed at mental chains. They market pain, I spit bars that unlearn the shame. They want hooks, I give knowledge. They want lies, I bring college. They want peace, then respect the soil. Somali blood don't boil, it burns like oil. Boy, you can't erase the people whose hearts beat like drums. We ain't bound by borders, we the truth that always comes. From Burko to Badoa, we rise with no permission. My name is Sharma, boy, this is more than just a mission. Stand for the truth, then you never die in vain.